What's up, Kavari crew? Welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day because today is my 20th birthday and I am just so filled with joy and love because I've been just reading your happy birthday wishes all day today on Instagram and Twitter and YouTube, and you guys are making me feel so loved and so appreciated, and it's just a really good feeling. So I just want to thank you guys so much for all the birthday wishes. I really appreciate them, and I am just currently doing my makeup for my birthday dinner. I wasn't even planning on having a birthday dinner. I literally had zero plans for my birthday, you guys. It's super duper low-key this year. I don't even have a birthday fit. I didn't have like everything planned out. I'm going on a trip, I'm going here, I'm going there. It's just a really chill, casual birthday. I don't even know where we're gonna go for my birthday dinner. I haven't picked a place. I just know I want steak. So we might be going to Boa Steakhouse. It's really good. I've been there a few times before, but if it gets a little bit too late at night, shit, we're going to Outback Steakhouse. I could care less. I just want a steak. So I'm currently just doing my makeup. At first I was gonna film doing my makeup because I'm like, you guys have seen me in this setup like for 3 vlogs already in a row, but I'm just gonna do my makeup for you guys again. My face is already pretty much done, so you guys will just basically see the eyes and the brows and stuff. But my face makeup is literally the same as my last video. So I did my Hourglass foundation, Tarte Shape Tape. So if you guys want to see how I did my complexion, just check out that video, my last video. But also the only difference is I already did cream contour with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So that's the only difference. So I'm gonna put powder on top of this as well. I just wanted a stronger contour, so I used this one. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I got Desi Perkins kit with Benefit, the brow kit. So I'm going to be using the pencil that comes in here, the Precisely My Brow. Yes, Precisely My Brow. I love this pencil. I prefer it over the Goof Proof pencil because it's more sharp. So I am just going to fill them in. I have no idea what I'm gonna do for my eyes. Honestly, if I wasn't gonna be taking an Instagram picture, I would probably just go with like mascara. I gotta pop off for the pic, you know what I mean? So we gotta put a little bit of effort. Come in to join me? I'll come in and sit on that couch. My beauty room. I swear, I feel like I just got this couch for you to chill on while I do my makeup. So you're all cozy. Here, say hi.
What's good?
Let me tell you guys about my day so far. About the big old 2-0 birthday, huh? So Triana actually surprised me with a day at the spa. So there's this spa in West Hollywood that I've always wanted to go to. Ole Henriksen. Is it Ole? Ole? Ole Henriksen has a spa. You guys know the skincare. They sell like Sephora and stuff. They have a spa here in LA and I've always wanted to go. So she actually surprised me with a massage and the Moroccan bath ritual thing. It was really cool. I didn't take my vlogging camera because I really just wanted to relax, and I don't want to take my camera into a steam room and a massage room, you know what I mean? So I just didn't even bring my camera. So I sat in that bathtub for about like 45 minutes and just listened to music. They had like some refreshments for me in there and stuff, and then I had an hour-long massage that was very much needed. Oh my gosh, that massage, I fell asleep during it. So I was asleep for the whole like last part of it. But it was really nice, so thank you so much, Tree, for my birthday gift. I really appreciate it. And then Mel got me 20 roses for my 20th birthday. Aren't you the cutest? He also got me some things from Joe Malone, and he got me a few pairs of shoes. So it's been a really good birthday so far. But the funny part is I've barely seen my parents because I come from a family of procrastinators and last minute people. So they're out buying my birthday gift. Remember that happened last year too? It's like y'all just wait till the day of my birthday.
I did this year.
Yeah, you did it. You were prepared this year. Today honestly just creeped up on all of us. Don't you feel like that? I can't believe it's my birthday already. I don't believe it's December. I don't believe it's about to be 2019. Do you remember when you turned 20? Was that a million years ago?
I honestly don't remember that.
You don't remember turning 20?
I don't remember what I did. Probably just went out.
You guys didn't know me and Mel are 3 years apart?
20 what?
He's an old man. He's an old hag. Just kidding.
I can't remember my 21st.
I mean, you're not supposed to remember your 21st.
No, my 21st I went out with Destiny and Jones. I think I was low-key trying to fool you.
On your 21st birthday?
Yeah,
what?
Yeah, I was trying to fool you then, so I wasn't talking to no girls. Cause I was like, yo, I'm low-key trying to rock with Nas. So I wasn't talking to no girls. Even though you probably ain't even rock with me then at all.
It It was my birthday because you were like trying to cake me and you were like, I'm gonna take you out to dinner.
That's when you was out for your birthday?
Mm-hmm. I'm really liking this blush trio from Anastasia. I have them in a few colors and I love them all. So it's in the shade Berry Adore, and then I really like Peachy Love as well. For highlight, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter.
Oh, the guest spots aren't open?
Is that my cozy boy? He looks so handsome in his collar. Mama's finally home.
Yeah.
That's pretty, Mom. Cozy! Cozy's in here too.
Oh. Cozy, come on.
I missed you. Cozy, get down. You guys have been gone all day.
Happy birthday to you.
I have no idea what I want to do with my eye makeup. I'm really hungry, so I'm just trying to finish this. Like, I don't even care to like do something crazy. So I'm just grabbing my Jaclyn Hill palette because it has literally every color. And I'm going in with this color right here. Can you guys see it? Right there. And we're just going to buff that in the crease. I'm gonna go in with this red shade literally right underneath the crease color and just pop that in the outer corner. So I need to do a quick cut crease, so I'm just gonna be grabbing my Stila, I have to burp, Kitten Karma, what is this? Magnificent Metal Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow.
Ooh, I like the way you said it.
Mel!
You should let me do one of your voiceovers.
Yeah, that'd be fun. How about you just come do my cut crease for me?
Because I'm so great at it.
Uh-huh. We got the eyes done. I feel like it's not sparkly enough. What do you think, babe? Do you think this is sparkly enough?
Why are you making that face?
Thank you. Why not go with like a glitter? You can never have too much glitter, babe. Probably like, yes we can, huh?
Glitter.
Mel loves like natural makeup, but he appreciates, what I like about Mel, he's not one of those annoying guys who are like, you look better with makeup. No, not with makeup, like, you know, the whole you look better without makeup. I like that Mel appreciates art. Like, he appreciates and notices when I do the cut crease, when I do the wing liner. He, like, you know,
I understand makeup ain't all for, like, it ain't for the men. Like, y'all don't all be trying to put on makeup to look good for us. I realize that.
Can you please tell that to all of Twitter? Because guys still think that we do it for them for some reason. Mel, quick answer. Wing liner or no wing liner?
Let me see.
Or just fluffy lashes and call it a day?
Yeah, just throw in some lashes, call it a day.
Wing liner it is, because we don't listen to men. Cozy's all cuddled up with you.
Is that just makeup on your lips?
Huh?
Is that like makeup on your lips?
Just my foundation and powder and all that. Why?
Because it wouldn't be looking weird.
When I'm what?
So when it's at that stage, it always be looking weird.
I like having foundation on my lips.
It make your face, make it look like you ain't got no lips.
Babe, back in the day on YouTube, it was like a thing to put concealer on your lips like I have now and just put clear gloss on top. For the perfect nude.
I love clear gloss.
So my memory card is like out of battery. What am I saying? What am I saying? What am I saying? My memory card is out of storage. So I had to delete some stuff, but the liner is looking pretty good, surprisingly. Ugh. asked Mel to go grab me my lashes. I left them on my like windowsill and they're crusty. I like these lashes and I only got to wear them like 3 times. Just got it on my nose. Babe, smell this lipstick. It's from the Too Faced Peach collection. You know I love peaches. Good, huh?
Yeah.
You don't sound confident in that answer.
It smells good, but not like peaches.
It smells like peaches. Mel's just a hater. Don't listen to him, y'all.
I mean, you would know better than me.
I eat peaches more than you do.
Yeah.
Guys, summertime, I go to Whole Foods and I be coming home with like bags of peaches. Like, babe, look, they're in season. Okay. So this lip combo is so cute. I use my NYX Nude Truffle lip liner. As we all know, that's like my go-to lip liner. Then Too Faced lipstick in the shade Sunday Funday. And then again, I use the Joseph Keller's I Love Sanahi lip gloss in Brio. So that is it for the lips. And I just need to pop on some lashes. I need to go look in my lash drawer and find another pair. So I'll be right back. So here is my outfit for my birthday dinner. Obviously I didn't want to look, you know, too revealing because it's just with my parents and stuff. So I changed my outfit like 4 times and I finally picked a nice, conservative, still sexy fit that I love. So this top is from Misguided, just a cable knit sweater with balloon sleeves. And then I'm wearing some black skinny jeans from PacSun. And then my shoes, these are like the star of the show. My shoes are from Dior. Baba even recognized they were Dior. He was like, ooh, look at you. I'm like, thank you. Hey guys, now we are at Boa. So we just sat down. Hi mommy, you haven't been in my vlog today, mom. My birth giver.
Happy birthday to my sweetheart.
Mom, 20 years ago.
Yeah.
I popped out of you.
I sent you today the time you born.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah. I was born at 11:50 p.m. in Romania. So
It's 1:50 here.
1:50 p.m. here. On the 7th or the 8th? 1:50 p.m. in America, specifically LA. So it was 1:50 p.m. here. But yeah, I was 10 minutes away from being December 8th in Romania. So yeah. And then we have Mel.
And was named the hospital.
Hi. But yeah guys, my parents showed me my birthday gift and I love it. I know I'm an adult when this gift like was something I asked for and it was something I really wanted. But they got me a Dyson vacuum cleaner, guys. I didn't even own a vacuum cleaner, I just used a little handheld. But I was like, I'm gonna go big or go home. I want a Dyson. So they got me the newest model of the V10 cordless Dyson vacuum cleaner, and you used it, didn't you, when I was getting ready? My mom vacuumed. It's nice, huh? Yeah, she said it picks up everything. I cannot wait to vacuum with it. Aren't you, babe?
Excited.
Mel loves cleaning the floors. Yeah, but Yasmin told me my birthday gift is still in the mail. It's en route. Yeah, it's en route. I tried so hard to get it. I went to the Beverly Center and Saks. Got our food. They got fish, soup, salad. Look at mom taking her picture too. My steak. Yasmin got a steak too, and we got fries, mashed potatoes. Don't show Rachel, y'all. Don't let Rachel know about this.
Let me get another one.
Okay, just my luck. Ready? See my luck. Hold on, let's wait for the sparkler, guys. Baba, I'm gonna put you in charge of holding the camera. Can you handle it?
Yeah.
Just hold it.
Sorry about that other faulty sparkler.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to Nazi. Happy birthday to you. Wow. To you. سنة حلوة يا جميل. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Nazi. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
On channel 4.
Thank you guys. So I come in my room and this is what I see. Sorry to disturb y'all. I'm sorry. Please, don't let me disturb you. Look at my cat. Babe, I'm upset.
Why?
Because my birthday's over. It's officially midnight. It's past midnight. Which means I have to wait a whole year for this day to come again.
Nah, you just treat every day like your birthday.
True. But yeah, guys, that's the end for today's vlog. Again, thank you guys so much for all your birthday wishes. I had such an amazing birthday. I love you guys so much. I love Nala so much. I love Cozy so much. And I love you so much. And thank you guys so much for watching. Mel was like asleep when I came in, so
Yeah.
sorry. I woke him up. I was like, wake y'all asses up to all of them. But thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you again for Vlogmas Day 9? Vlogmas Day 9 tomorrow. Bye, guys. No, you didn't even say a word.
Bye.
You didn't even say anything. Say something.
Happy birthday to my queen. She's still the birthday girl in my eyes. Love you.
Love you too. My hair looks like a mess. And I took my lashes off, so.
She's still beautiful.